Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to display Ubuntu OS full screen in VirtualBox.
So let's get started.
The size of the display screen and the virtual machine screen are not the same. We need to adjust the screen size with the View menu Virtual Screen option. However, the option is locked and we can't select a resolution. To fix this, we'll open the terminal and type the sudo su command to log in as the root user and enter the password. Use the sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y command to update and upgrade the system. Once it finishes, run the sudo snap refresh command in the terminal to refresh everything. Use the sudo apt install linux headers $uname build essential dkms command to install the necessary packages. After installing the packages, exit the terminal. Navigate to the devices menu and click insert guest editions CD image. On the taskbar, click VirtualBox 7.0.14 icon. Then select open in terminal from the top tools option. Run the sudo su command, input the password, and use the ls command to list all files. Here, we need to execute and run the VirtualBox Linux edition.run file. Change the file permissions by entering sudo chmod +x VirtualBox Linux editions.run. Finally, use the sudo /VirtualBox Linux editions.run command to install VirtualBox guest editions. After installation, run the sudo reboot command to reboot the system. After restarting, click the View menu and select Virtual Screen to adjust your screen resolution. You can adjust the size of your screen anytime you want a different display. To automatically adjust the virtual screen display, select Auto Resize Guest Display to match your host display screen. For full screen mode, go to the View menu and select Full Screen Mode. To exit full screen mode, go to the bottom menu, select View, and click Full Screen Mode to return to the display screen. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.